Mikey, what are you doing? What are you doing on your back? You love to lie on your back. Are you still sleepy? Look at you. You almost take up a full XXL dog bed at 11 weeks old. You're a big fellow with funny ears that flop everywhere. Oh, are you cute? Yeah, I think you're cute. You're such a happy boy. Oh boy. Oh, are you ready to get up yet? What do you think? Look at that little tail go. Oh, you're just waking up. Such a funny little man. Such long legs. Look at you. Yeah. What do you think? All right, I think we should go outside. No, I'm not ready yet, Mom. I'll just wait here. Oh, Mikey, you're so lovable.